Internet Literacy. Browser Basics. A tutorial by Access Technologies. This series is about Internet browsers, which are programs that access the Internet. There are several browsers developed by different companies. Notable browsers include Chrome by Google, Microsoft Edge by Microsoft, and Safari by Apple. These browsers all access the Internet in similar ways, but can come in different styles. As an analogy, consider the Internet as a highway. Websites are like cities along the highway, and the browser is the car you drive. Various cars have differing looks and features, but they all drive the highway. Similarly, various browsers have different looks and features, but they all browse the Internet. What is the difference between browsers? Each browser has unique features to make them easier to use in particular ways. This can include tools like text-to-speech readers, password managers, and ad blockers. First, where do we find features? Whether using Chrome, Edge, or Safari, you can find various features in their browser menu. This menu is usually accessed by pressing a button with an icon that is presented in a couple of ways. Either 3 dots in a row, or 3 stacked lines. These icons present multiple dots or lines to show that pressing here will show you multiple options. This menu button is often in the upper right corner. Next, let's take a closer look at what you can do in the average browser menu. Commonly, at the top of the menu, are ways to adjust your view of the screen, such as creating a new tab or new window, which allows you to create a separate space to go to other websites without losing your original page. There are zoom controls to increase or decrease the magnification of your view, and a full screen option, denoted by an icon of a bidirectional diagonal arrow that expands the browser window to fill the whole screen. Below this, the view features are ways to organize and keep track of website pages. You can save and access pages to visit again later in bookmarks or favorites, and find previously visited pages in history. Through the Downloads option, you can access the place where your browser stores anything you download from the Internet. You may also see extensions, with an icon often shaped like a puzzle piece, which is where you can manage adding or removing additional features to the browser. Further down the menu are options for working with the page you are on. There is Print, with the icon of a printer, for printing the entire page. Also, the Find on Page tool, with an icon of a magnifying glass, is used to find specific words on the page. Additionally, this is the Screen Reader, which describes what is on the page aloud. Options for controlling the way your browser functions are found under Settings, often represented by a gear symbol. We won't explore settings in depth in this video, but in Settings are options to change the appearance of your browser, turn on accessibility features, and more. If you are concerned about messing up your browser, there's no need to fret. Chrome, Safari, and Edge have a Reset Settings button where you can reset your browser to the original default settings. Now, you're ready to explore. More questions? You can find more tutorials in the description of this video or visit our website at www.accesstechnologiesinc.org.